Everybody wants some. Middle finger in the air, no fist pump. And me, shining wiz, got this bitch jump.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Introduction. My name is Vicky Agustin. NPM 2241138. Management Class 22A. Here I will explain about organizational development and culture. Definition of organization. Organization consists of a group of people, or a group of workers, who work to achieve the goals of the organization, that is developed and maintained a certain pattern of behavior that is quite stable, and can be predicted in advance. There are several dimensions of the organization, namely plurality, which is the diversity of work function activities, and the number of layers in the organization. Formalization, which refers to policies, procedures, and rules that limit the choices of its members. Centralization, an organizational structure, where the highest position is held by the owner. Organizational design. Authority is centralized in one person, and there is little formalization. This design is usually found in small business owners, traders, etc. Also known as an organic organization. Simple structure. Its strength lies in its simplicity, but it is able to act quickly, flexibly, and is inexpensive to maintain. Matrix structure. It is another popular organizational design. While in the two organizational designs above, the principle of one man, one boss applies, each subordinate has only one superior. In the matrix structure, each subordinate has two superiors. The matrix combines two forms of departmentalization, functional, that is, and products. Matrix structures can be found in advertising organizations, universities, hospitals, management consulting firms, and so on. The strength of the matrix lies in its ability to facilitate coordination when the organization has many complex and interdependent activities. The main weaknesses of the matrix-structured organization lie in the confusion it creates, the potential source of power conflicts, and the pressure it places on individuals. Intervention techniques. A. Survey feedback technique. Survey feedback is generally a joint effort between the organization and the organizational behavior (OB) consultant. B. Process consultation, process consultation. Survey feedback is generally a joint effort between the organization and the organizational behavior (OB) consultant. 5. Organizational culture. 5.1 Understanding organizational culture. Organizational culture is the way of thinking, feeling and reacting based on certain patterns that exist within the organization, or in parts of the organization. The following is a further explanation of the material on original development and culture. An organization is a group of people, or workers collaborating to achieve a set of shared goals. It involves establishing and maintaining a predictable and stable pattern of behavior over time. This stability allows members to function efficiently within the organization's framework. Key dimensions of an organization. Plurality refers to the diversity of activities, functions, and roles present within the organization. It involves multiple layers or divisions, each with unique tasks, contributing to the achievement of the organization's goals. The broader the diversity of tasks, the more complex the organizational structure. Formalization. This dimension measures how strictly the organization adheres to rules, procedures, and policies. High formalization means that members have limited discretion since specific guidelines govern their actions. It ensures consistency, but may reduce flexibility. Centralization. Centralization refers to the degree to which decision-making authority is concentrated at the top levels of management. In highly centralized organizations, decisions are made by the owner or a small leadership team, and lower-level employees have limited autonomy. Organizational design. Organizational design is the process of aligning an organization's structure with its objectives. It ensures that the flow of information, responsibilities, and decision-making is efficient. There are several key organizational designs. 1. Simple structure, organic organization. In a simple structure, authority is concentrated in one person, such as a business owner, and there is little to no formalization. This structure is commonly found in small businesses, such as individual shops or family-run enterprises. The advantage of this design lies in its simplicity, flexibility, and low operational costs. However, it can become impractical as the organization grows larger and more complex. 2. Matrix structure. A matrix structure is a more advanced and complex design that combines two forms of departmentalization: functional departments like marketing or finance, and product focused on specific products or services. In this structure, an employee has two superiors, a functional manager and a product or project manager. Where matrix structures are used: advertising agencies, hospitals, consulting firms, universities. Advantages of matrix structures. Coordination. This structure helps coordinate interdependent activities and improves communication across departments. Flexibility. It allows the organization to be more dynamic and adaptable. Disadvantages of matrix structures. Confusion and conflict. Employees may become confused about who to report to, leading to conflicts over authority. Increased pressure. Having two superiors can place significant stress on individuals, affecting their well-being and productivity. Intervention techniques for organizational development. Organizational development uses planned interventions to improve an organization's effectiveness. Some commonly used techniques are: 1. Survey feedback technique. This technique involves collecting data from employees through surveys. The information gathered helps identify problem areas and assess employee satisfaction, morale, and attitudes. An organizational behavior (OB) consultant often collaborates with the organization to interpret the results and develop action plans to improve areas of concern. 2. Process consultation. In process consultation, an OB consultant works closely with the organization to improve interpersonal and group processes, such as communication, decision-making, and conflict resolution. The consultant observes the organization's processes and offers guidance to help employees and teams function more effectively. Organizational culture. Organizational culture refers to the shared values, beliefs, norms, and practices that shape the behavior of individuals within an organization. It influences the way employees think, feel, and react to situations. 5.1 Understanding organizational culture. Culture provides a sense of identity to members and helps align employee behavior with organizational goals. It encompasses the organization's history, traditions, leadership styles, and practices. Different parts of an organization may develop subcultures, which can vary slightly from the main organizational culture. Conclusion. Organizational development and design, along with culture, are critical to an organization's success. A well-structured organization, with clear processes, and a healthy culture, can adapt to challenges and achieve its objectives effectively. Understanding the complexities of different structures, like matrix organizations, and applying intervention techniques ensures continuous improvement and long-term sustainability. That's my explanation. I end wa alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.